We were once unaware and oblivious as we faced the universe full of secrets. With a system developed by humankind, mysteries had slowly unfolded. Recognizing existence of patterns, realizing they are more than mere arrangements. Mathematics, a tool for understanding the world, reached greater bounds ahead.
Living in a diverse world, as math mirrors the wonders of vitality, multitudinous obscurity that is yet to unfold. Tell me, how will you live without it?
Mathematics is all around us, they say. We're patterns in the universe array. It consistently develops to solve mysteries that will create a brand new history.
As akin to flourish nature's serene beauty, it delineates patterns and diversity. Kindred how the universe is structured deeply, so full of clues that lead us all to harmony. The beauty of numbers in nature propose that math applies to culture. It may occur to sense the unpredictable. I wonder why counting numbers invincible.
Round and round it goes, no bounds of limits it shows. It's not just about figures, it is a communication that fills up the entirety of being.
From nature to patterns, then functionality to language, its complexity does not end there. In fact, it had only just started. Nature offers never-ending clues, and with this, theories had also grown. While solving the puzzle may be a challenge, failing to place pieces should not discourage you.